Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Suzuki Celerio SZ3. This car comes with a 1 litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to a very impressive 65 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 7, so ideal for new drivers, and road tax is just £20 a year. This is a one owner vehicle with a very low mileage of just over 8,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Superior White and looks in great condition for the mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have the nice clean interior, good hard wearing fabric there on the seats. Onto the dashboard, you have your FM and DAB radio there in the centre with a CD player. And this car also has air conditioning and also the electric front window controls there on the driver's door card. For a small hatchback, it's quite surprising how much legroom there is in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own cup holder there in the centre. And it's good to see the car comes with some carpet floor mats as well. Opening the tailgate reveals the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got a full-size spare wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights and also the 14-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.